Hello everybody. Welcome to No1doctor channel. Today we will talk about one of the famous doctors, Richard von Volkmann, 1830–1889. Volkmann's ischemic contracture. The whole of Richard von Volkmann's professional life was spent at Halle, in Saxony, where his father held the chair of anatomy and physiology. Richard studied at several universities, as was the custom in Germany in those days, and qualified MD at Berlin at the age of 24. 2 years later he was appointed deputy professor of surgery at Halle and in 1867 was promoted to a full professorship. When Volkmann took over as professor, hospital gangrene was so common in the surgical wards that it was said that no one dared touch a knife in the surgical clinic. Volkmann immediately established a rigorous antiseptic regime based on the writings of Lister, which had just been published in the Lancet in 1867. Not only was Lister's carbolic spray used, but the surgical wound was also irrigated with a 1 in 20 carbolic acid solution poured from a watering can. Volkmann was an elegant, bold and original operator. He made several contributions to operative surgery, including the use of a special curette, Volkmann's spoon, to clear out the underlying tuberculous lymph nodes and so-called collar-stud abscesses of the neck. Volkmann first described ischemic contracture in 1872. Until then, the condition was regarded as being due to nerve injury. Volkmann showed that it followed the death of muscles, with their replacement by fibrous tissue, as a result of arterial damage. The vascular injury could result especially from tight splinting. Although common in the forearm muscles, Volkmann showed that it could also occur in the lower limb. Volkmann served as a surgeon during the Franco-Prussian War of 1870 and died in 1889 at the age of 59. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in more next videos. With my best wishes. Dr. Volkmann.